What's up? It's your girl Stella here once again to talk stuff with you. And guess what? I got this in and I wanted to show everybody it's Olive in June because remember when I had told you I had got my finger stuck in the stove and I had to get my nails taken off and all that different kind of stuff. It's just been a roller coaster. I've just been looking a mess by the nails. Finally, I found like a little cheap bottle of fingernail polish and it's been chipped off and everything right now. But so I will be trying this. I mean, I don't remember exactly how much it was. It was on sale. That's what it was. I'll get you the exact price or whatever. But show y'all what all came in here. Because I think I paid extra for some stuff. I think I paid extra for the nail strengthener. So we got the nail strengthener. It's about how big the container is. About the size of the inside of your palm for all of these containers, okay? Woo! I thought it was going to have like a little plastic over the top to kind of protect it, so it wouldn't leak out everywhere, because I could feel like a little leakage going on down in here. So I thought maybe it would have been a top. No, that's a bit strong. But that right there would have been a good idea to make sure that they had a seal to seal it, to seal this, because this around the edges, y'all see that? That's product that's been leaked out of there. And this is brand new. I just got it in the mail. Just took it out the plastic. Now, these were the colors that I picked. Y'all see that? Show y'all what that, see that one? I like that color. This is a dark green. It looked like it's black, but it's actually dark green. It's actually dark green. Let me see what color green they call this. It's actually dark green. That's the name of it. All right. And I got this brown color. I actually like that a lot. The name of this one is Americano. So it does have like a little coffee look. This one is a red, and I really like this color. This was one of the ones I couldn't wait to pick up. And these are very similar in colors. It's just one, I mean, they both look pearl, but this one is freshwater, and then this one is called Girl with the Pearl Nail Polish. So they are very similar in color, not really much of a difference that you can tell. All right, and so we have top coat. So we got a quick dry, and we got one that's not so dry, okay? But it's super, this one is the long lasting top coat, and this one is the quick dry, okay? And this right here, I forgot to tell you that this is the nail polish remover that has kind of leaked out a little bit. I would say they need to seal that up so that the product won't leak out of there. It comes with a brush, and this is, you know, to clean up around your nails. It comes with the, what do they call this, a buffer? This right here is supposed to be able to help, you know, you put the little thing in there, it's supposed to help you be able to steady your hand when you're polishing. That's what this is for. And it came with a, what do you call this? Filer, and then a nail clipper. And this right here is cuticle serum, which I really, really need to be using this. And it comes with so many different directions, you all. So many different ones. Y'all see that? So I will not be going to get my nails done in a while, and I'm really going to try to cut that expense out of my budget for a little while, unless I'm going somewhere and I got, you know, I really want my nails to be put together. Otherwise, I'm just going to try to grow them out and just take care of them myself for a little while and see how that goes, because I lift weights, and because I lift weights, I always seem to break a nail, or I drop a dumbbell on my nail. So I'm always injured, and I'm always right back at the nail place spending more money. I don't know about y'all. Let me get back to that. I don't know about y'all, but it costs like $150 when you go into the nail place between your nails, and if you want to design on them, if you get your feet done and you want gel on them, and if you mess around and get your eyebrows and your lashes done, you out of $200 easy. Because I broke that nail, it just sent me on a whole spiral. I was like, no more, no more. This is the cute little box that it came in, and I'll be storing my fingernail polish, oh God. All of my fingernail polishes, I'll be storing it inside of this box or whatever. So I will come back and I will show y'all what they kind of look like. I'm gonna try it on and see how long that it lasts. And then I'll come back and do an update with you all on exactly how this fingernail polish look and how my cuticles and stuff like that look. Because right now, baby, I ain't looking real good. Okay? I ain't looking real good right now. All right. So thanks again, Stellar Stars, for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. All right. I'll stick with me, okay? Y'all have a really good day, and I will tune back in with you all a little bit later. Thanks again for tuning in, y'all.